Well, it is spring and many of you are itching to take to the road or the skies to get out of the house, but you don't need to travel very far to be amazed by breathtaking sights and activities. This morning, we kick off our 4-state staycation series in Neosho County, Kansas. KOAM photojournalist Leanne Mandelbaum takes us inside a prehistoric exhibit with a modern twist.
This is the Erie Dinosaur Park, and we have the collection of the dinosaurs that were made by Mr. Robert Doris. He made all of these out of spare automobile, tractor, motorcycle, any kind of a metal part he could use. I believe there's even some wrenches on some of them. This is what, they actually are, and this was his nickname for them. The family, after Mr. and Mrs. Doris's death, donated them to the city so that they could bring people to Erie as an attraction. Now the Brontosaurus, or the Apatosaurus over there, that's Detroit, because they said that was made out of a lot of parts coming out of Detroit. One of his daughters was very interested in dinosaurs and asked her dad to make her one. And after a trip to the Smithsonian in the 80s, he came home and decided that he could build his own dinosaurs.
So how have people in the community reacted to it?
It's been very favorable because a lot of people didn't think that with these being on private property that they should go look at them. Where here they can walk up to them and they can look and say, well, this is that part, or this is a transmission. The family, they like that people can come see the art now. They like it where especially the kids can come see it.